So we have a
Fuck and nut and chicken.
Okay.
It name Thailand fuck.
So we have chicken and we have fuck.
Yes, I use the medium
No.
13 baht.
So chicken and fuck. So here's another meal from Amanda. It's chicken with cucumber, tomatoes, onion, carrot and rice. Amanda's just knocked it up. There's a few bits of potato back there as well. But I'm not sure what it's called, but it's really tasty. Okay, so I'm the one that's walking. I can hear the bike coming. There's a Scoopy. And off she goes to the car wash. So my crunchy, crispy chicken in rice has arrived, and a bit of cucumber, and a small bowl of soup. And some sweet chilli. Called the green thing nut. They look like green beans to me, but you call it nut. And if you look on the plate, you'll see there's crab in there as well. So, and lots of little spices. So yeah, just what Amanda likes, I think. Is it spicy? Yep, spicy as well. I'll give it a miss. I'll have a pizza when I get home.
You eat pizza?
Yes, later. Okay, so at this restaurant I've got chicken with some dipping sauce. I have sticky rice. Amanda's ordered papaya salad,
Papaya salad.
which
And
looks
shell.
on shell,
And
so it's got.
tomato and vegetable.
Okay, and then we're having a Pepsi. So, a Coca-Cola. So we'll find out how much all this comes to
Go eat.
in a little while. Let's eat.
65, 40 baht, 10 baht.
Okay. So 65, 105.
65 baht
Yes.
and 40 baht
65, 100, 510,
and 10 baht.
120, 130 baht. Bargain. Oh, and then we got Coke. We'll work out that in a bit. Okay, so we have the water, the Coke, some chicken, some papaya salad, and some green stuff. And we'll see what the total, how much is the total?
I don't know about Coke and water and ice.
Oh, right, okay.
I tell you, I ทั้งหมดเท่าไหร่จ๊ะ145
So that's 145 baht, which is looking about just over £3, I think. Let me know if I'm right or wrong.
145
So what did Amanda buy for dinner? She's got some crispy chicken, some rice, some cucumber, some chilli and garlic, this and sausage, watermelon and soup. So here's a little look at Pratumnat. You can see all the fishing boats out at sea. You've got lots of people just eating food, socialising basically. It's almost like being on holiday. Okay, so we've got chicken, we've got 2 sticky rices, we've got another portion of rice, a couple of bits of chilli and a beef stew. Quite spicy but nice. So yeah, I'll let you know how much it all costs at the end. So here's another meal from Amanda. It's chicken with cucumber, tomatoes, onion, carrot and rice. Amanda's just knocked it up. There's a few bits of potato back there as well, but I'm not sure what it's called, but it's really tasty. Okay, so today's lunch, we got rice with egg and chicken, tomato, cucumber and lettuce. So we've just had another soup turn up.
A pig,
So pork
and vegetable,
and blood for Amanda. So yeah, we've got chicken. Let's have a look at mine. Chicken, this is rice, very sweet, very tasty. Bon appetit. Amanda's got loads of blood now. There we go. Let's try a bit of this pork.
Yeah, good for you. Yeah.
Which bit? Mince.
Yeah, good for you.
Okay, so we've got a load of mince, a bit of vegetable. Let's try. Yeah, and the pork, mince, very nice. So Amanda's told me I've got to try some of this spicy sauce. Loads of chilies, different chilies in there and spices. So we'll just put a Okay, so I've gone over the top with the chilies. Let's give it a try. This is where it blows my head off. So, with the chilies, bon appetit. Yep, and I can feel it warming up in my mouth already. It's nice sauce. I'm not going to eat it all. Okay, so I nearly polished off all the chilies. Finished all the duck with rice and vegetable. Just got a little bowl of this pork soup. Amanda's finished hers nearly. Not touched the soup yet, but got this soup here. All very nice. So we'll see what that comes to with a bottle of water. Okay, so that's breakfast done with. Not a lot left there. Amanda full. A little bit of soup left there. And Ming Ming in the corner. So, that dinner,
1, 2, 3, 4.
three different things in the water, 2 soups, come to 160 baht, which is around £3 I think. You have to check it out yourself.
Not same.
So yeah, we're right opposite the hospital. It's just there. Just had breakfast in here, 240 baht, which is about £5.50. Cop and cab. So that's the restaurant. Very nice. Amanda's still looking at food. Obviously geared up for the hospital staff and patients. Down here. And we've got 7-Eleven to grab a coffee. Excuse me. Now we might be looking for a hotel for the night, depending on how painful Amanda's hand is after the operation. So we'll see on that one. She's making me a coffee. Hey, scissors.
First time doing it.
We'll have blue, we don't want red.
Yeah.
We have blue for Man City. We don't do Liverpool or Manchester United in here.
Liverpool. Yeah.
Man City.
Liverpool. First time doing
And we all know who's top of the league after the first game of the season. Manchester City, top of the league. There's a coffee. How much is coffee?
How much? I don't know. 15 months.
15 baht. So just over 30 pence. So we'll go and pay for that. Then make our way to the hospital. So we have a
Fuck and nut and chicken. It name,
Okay.
It name Thailand fuck.
So we have chicken and we have fuck.
Yes, I use the medium
Yeah.
13 baht.
So chicken and fuck.